AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Transferring Fiscal Year. At the end of the year, you may want to transfer fiscal year of your company and improve database performance. For this, you should back up your data and make sure your programs are closed on all computers before starting the process. If you're using offline module, make sure that all data is sent. Open the admin menu on the control panel. Click the Working Year Change button. In the window that opens, the companies you have created before will be listed. Click once on the lines of the companies you don't want to transfer from this list, and set the Working Year Change status to No. Select the year you want to create and the last day of the previous year. Click the Next button. You can make the selection and adjustments of the data you want to transfer on these screens. Proceed by clicking the Next button. Check the I've checked them all option and click the Change Working Year button. Click the Yes button in the warning that comes up. The transfer is completed. When the process is completed, you can view the year you created by clicking on the Company Records button on the admin menu and clicking on the record of the relevant company.